Guys, and welcome to a brand new video. Today is Sunday. I wasn't planning to film that much today, but actually I'm starting two exciting projects that are coming really soon. One probably in this vlog, and the other one we'll see, but soon, really soon. And yeah, I'm like taking notes and everything of to organize myself, so it's really
if you
cool.
spend the winter all alone, yeah. Cause I don't please fall. I don't please fall.
Yeah. See, had to ask a question if you happy, girl. I'll change your mind.
Hello guys, today it's Monday, a brand new week coming, and it's gonna be a big week because I'm still at my internship, so I'm working on daily basis, but I'm also working on two exciting projects. One that I think I already told you, but I'm launching a sticker for charity. The charity basically buy some food and all the basics stuff we need to live, like food, soap, shampoo and everything, and they give it back to either people working in the hospital at the moment or people in need. Here is the name of the charity if you want to donate, but otherwise you can buy this really cute sticker that I'm gonna put here, that I drew for them. Well, not for them, but I drew it for the charity basically. So it's like €3.50 I think, and for each sticker I give back all the benefits, which is around €2 per sticker. So it's super cool, and I'm really glad I did that. So yeah, if you wanna go have a look, you can check it. And then I'm working on another exciting project that I'm not gonna tell you right now. I'll tell you about this one a bit later on. You're gonna see me working a bit on that this week, but I don't want to like tell you everything and spoil you, so I'll see how I organize everything. But I'm so excited about that, but it's gonna ask me so much work, but it's so cool. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the moment.
Anytime in this happy world, let's go and kick it, you and me, and see what love unfurls. Cause girl, I bet you love some tugging on them lovely curls. Hold up, a week up after that, believe we started dating. My heart was racing, but never felt my time was wasting. My mind was chasing, ain't no debating. I'm feeling you, and trying to get together, figure out what to do. Even after some disasters, we were making it work. But never did I ever think that you would do in the dirt. Stay cute while you smile in your brand new skirt. Just happy that we've been together and we never get hurt. So say, girl, why you kick it with them guys all dumb? If you ever got some worries when with me all done, change the picture that you paint until the paint all gone. Cause I'm just falling for the artist like your name on some. Like,
Wonder if you spent the winter all alone, yeah. Cause I don't please fall. I don't please fall. Stuck in the cold cause there's nothing left to hold, yeah. Cause I don't please fall. I don't please fall. Yeah, if you knew what I do for you, next to me, we both see it's crazy, crazy. But when we walk away from problems, leave them right outside the door, and then we running back together cause I know you wanting more. Trying to see on what's between us and not what we got in store. But the pain we feel is real and still it got me feeling so, yeah. You've been feeling me and I've been feeling you, wondering on what we really trying to do. Thinking every night, laying up in bed and wonder if it's true. Hoping that the pain I'm feeling won't ensue. Got me feeling like
there, guys. Hope you're doing well. I haven't quite filmed this week, I think. Probably because of lockdown, because basically I spend my entire day being at a desk and working. Because usually, I don't know, I cook, I go a bit outside and everything, so I don't really know what to film. So I filmed a bit this morning. I had a few orders for my charity sticker, which is so exciting. So fingers crossed we're gonna continue giving back some money to charity, guys. Otherwise, apart from that, yeah, I subscribe to the New Yorker, and I'm following the American election. I don't know when will be the definitive result, but fingers crossed, you know. Anyway, and yeah, I subscribed to the New Yorker. It's been a while since I wanted to do it, and there was a special offer due to the election, so I paid like $10, and I have a digital and physical version for 4 months. And I think I'm gonna ask for Christmas to have an entire subscription, because then it will be like €100. So you know.
If I could tell you, I would. Honestly, no secrets between us. No, it's just honesty. Even if it hurts, even if it's just for today. I know you're just here for good fun. It's over before it's begun. So don't let me fall for a figment of my imagination. Don't be a stranger. Let me get to know you. There's a kind of danger.
Today is day 9 of lockdown, I think, something like that. Yeah, day 9. It's like 11:45, well, Saturday actually, and today I'm gonna spend the most of my day editing tomorrow's video. I used to do the editing during the entire week at night, but since lockdown I don't really find the time to do that at night. I'm really excited actually to edit this one, because normally it's shorter than the previous one, and also because we found some cool shots with Tom's iPhone. Anyway, you've already seen it probably, so
My mind starts to wander round and around, trying to figure you out. Would it be like to be? Would it be like to be yours? Would it be like to be yours? One step is 2 steps too much. Rather be much better if we stayed in touch, you and me, but it was too late. I can't make you stay, but wait. I know you just.
hey guys, we went a bit outside. I didn't film anything. We just like walk a bit in the area, in the surroundings, and feels good, I got to admit. And when we came back, I saw the most waited notification of the last few days, which is that Biden era is finally coming. Bye Trumpy. Without talking about any political stuff, it's just knowing that the most powerful man, one of the most powerful men in this world, It was like anti-feminist, sexist, homophobic, everything you want, kinda. Well, more like everything you don't want. Anyway, I'm happy and relieved about that, and can't wait to see the next episode of these crazy moments. Hi guys, it's me from the editing. It feels so weird ending the video like that, so I just wanted to say thank you for watching. It's a shorter video than usual, but also because it's lockdown, it's either working or online classes, and it feels like next week vlog might also be really short. Another way, it's shorter, so it's easier to watch. So yeah, hope you enjoy, like, comment, subscribe if you like it, and I'll see you next week.
For good fun, it's over before it's begun. But don't